Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how we can change the date and the time settings. So you have to grab your remote control and then tap on the settings. When you are here, you have to scroll down with arrows just like that and click on the general OK, then tap on the right arrow and scroll down to the date and the time, click OK. As you can see, you can set it automatically. When you want to unselect, you have to tap on the OK on your remote control, and here we can manually change time. Let's pick it on the 4 p.m. Click OK to confirm, and then if you want to change the date, you have to scroll down with arrow and click OK to enter, and the same. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you want to confirm, click OK, and here at the last option we got the time zone, so we can change it. There we got only the Warsaw because I just changed country for Poland. And if you want to go back to the previously settings and get it automatically, just go for the switcher and then tap OK on your remote control. After that, you can just simply go back. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.